Hello, can you guess what we're doing today? We're packing for Hawaii. Woo! Oh my god, my voice is already going out. So, I am leaving for Kauai in 24 hours and I just thought I would pack with you guys to make me do it first off and to make a video out of it, because why not? Okay, so I have my suitcase and let me tell you what I do so far. Let me tell you what I've done. So I have a huge suitcase. It's the American Tourister. I thought it was from Ricardo, but whatever. I got this thing at clearance at Marshall's for like 50 bucks. It's freaking gigantic. It's been on cruises. It's been to Hawaii multiple times. I love it. On the inside, little kind of like plastic container thing, so if anything spills, it doesn't spill all over my bag, which I have had tanning oil spill and it didn't get on my clothes. Hell yeah. Also, I have a plastic bag so that I can put dirty swimsuits and dirty clothes in once I land. All right, you guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, we gotta do bikinis because that's obviously the most important. So yesterday, I went to the beach, as you can tell by this beach hair, good God. And I got my Skims in the blue. I absolutely love it, except for the bottoms really aren't that functional. They kept riding up, they were moving, and it was just kind of uncomfortable. Love the top though. So that is a win. This is my pile of bikinis. Let's go through it and see what I want to do. This one I just got from Hurley. Super cute. It's reversible, blue, and then the kind of like, I don't know, rainbow? I forget what you call that kind of look. These, super cute. So then I'm going with cheetah print because you know what? One day I might be feeling frisky, so I might do it. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I also have that same bathing suit in blue. Can you tell blue's my power color? Oh yeah. Okay, that's done. Ooh, Frankie's bikinis. Love. Very fun. And then I have this very neat Frankie's top. Wore this to Palm Springs. Insert picture here. Let's see. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, this is the swimsuit I got engaged in. Always a win. Always a win. Black one piece from American Eagle. Low back, doesn't move, great to wear with shorts. That's a win. This one, don't really care for. Haven't worn this in 100 years. Might fuck around and do it. Okay. I'm gonna pack and then I'll show you guys what I pack at the end. Okay, but the star of the show for this trip, white linen long sleeve from Pretty Little Things. So cute, going on top of everything. Something that I'm bringing to this Hawaii trip that I have not brought in before and is the star of the show besides the white linen, black biker shorts. Because when we go to Hawaii, we hike a lot, and so I don't want to be sweating like absolute craziness and then having my legs rubbed together. Nope, not the game plan. So I'm bringing these ones. These are the base pace ones from Lululemon. They have like a little liner at the bottom. They're amazing. So I have these ones, which are like my nicer pair of shorts, and then I have two from American Eagle. They're from Aerie. Let me show you these. This pair has pockets on the side, no front upseam. They'll be great for Hawaii. And you can wear them on top of like your bathing suit. So if you were like go in the ocean, then you want to go for a hike, those are awesome. No chafing, very comfortable. And then again, another pair, there's no pockets on the sides. But yes, I have 3 pairs. We're going there for 7 days. So I'm not doing laundry while I'm there. So that's what I'm bringing for biker shorts. You need those. The next thing I'm bringing is just another cute cover up. This is like that super soft, it's literally called like soft material or whatever from American Eagle. It's actually from Urban Outfitters. I got this in my little haul, super cute stuff, and there's pockets. But like that's what I'm gonna throw in after we get from the beach, after we go to the beach. And it's like still hot, still toasty, but you don't want the like scratchy material on your skin. That's gonna be amazing. Okay, couple of new things that I just purchased, haven't worn yet. This like, I bought this from Urban Outfitters. I was living my Limited To dream. I walked in there and I was like, oh my God, like this stuff looks exactly like Limited To. And I'm 25, so that was, you know, very long time ago. but it's so funny seeing it come back in style. So, you know, butterflies in the eyes and it looks to kill. Who remembers that song? Yeah. This one, it's a little bit longer, has a slit. Again, you guys will see pictures of this posted once I'm in Hawaii, but I'm bringing that with me for like a cute night out, slick back bun, because you know it's so hot. You're not going to be doing your hair when you go there. Also got this one. This is giving me Felicity, Austin Powers vibes. Off the shoulder, little skirt, again, super soft material. Yeah, I love Austin Powers, if you guys don't know that about me. Amazing. And then I also got this little one. It's like cherries. This was like $2 from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, just something fun. Oh, let me get the right top. Just something fun. So there's that one. And then the last one, this is just for pictures because this shit is so scratchy on your skin, but it was also $2. Austin Powers. Over a swimsuit, maybe probably like the watercolor one that I have would be super fun. So I've got that. Biker shorts. I need some more workout tops. Had lunch, had to go take a break. Packing overwhelms me. It's too much sometimes, but just got off the phone with Iris too. We're gonna be doing a lot of hiking, so I'm glad I brought those biker shorts. And I've got dirty kind of shoes, a good hat, I got my fanny pack. Okay, now we're back to my favorite part of the video, which is the skincare that I'm bringing to Hawaii with me. Yes, I have a hair towel back here because my hair is red. And I do bring this thing because we're staying at a friend's house and I don't want my hair to bleed everywhere, so I will take this. So packing that away now. First off, cleanser for Hawaii. You have to take into account, you're not gonna want any cleansers with active ingredients. And what I mean by that, salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, AHA, BHA. You don't really want that because you're gonna be out in the sun, and even if you have plenty of sunscreen on, you could get a little toasty burn. So I'm just gonna be taking my Murad Renewing Cleanser with me. It's very soft, very gentle, and love this shit. So I'll be taking that with me. Next product, I love these. I wasn't gonna bring these, and I'm like, nah, my skin probably needs this. Vitamin C, niacinamide. Bing, bing, love them. Bringing those as well. I will not be using retinol on this trip because again, I'm out in the sun. Not gonna do that, it's just a bad combo. But I will be bringing powdered sunscreen, Super Goop. This is the resetting one. It is dirty, it is gross. Ding, ding. 30 sunscreen. It's mineral, by the way, so it's reef safe. And I can reapply throughout the day as long as I'm not super crazy sweaty. But I'll also be bringing that. Next thing, I will be bringing eye cream. We'll be bringing in SkinCeuticals. You already know, AGE, eye complex, or age. I always mess that up. Okay, that is pretty much the basis. To add into my sunscreen to give me a little bit of color, the Bronzy Drops from Drunk Elephant. Love these. I already put my Cetaphil jar of moisturizer in my bag, so I already have that, but let me show you guys what sunscreens I'm bringing with me. So if you don't know, in Hawaii, you need to use reef safe sunscreen, and the best ones are gonna be ingredients as zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Either of those, the best. Reefs, because there's reef safe and there's reef friendly. I don't exactly remember the difference, but I just stick with those ingredients because the other ones, I just don't like them. So, Blue Lizard. You guys, you can get sunscreen at Marshall's, first and foremost. This one was $7.99. We love the reef. No, oh yeah, oxybenzone and octinate. I should know how to say those because I have a biology degree. I can't, but that's okay. Those are the ingredients you want to avoid. So this one, we have, still says octosilene, it's 4%, but this is zinc oxide 9.7. So this one's good. It's not fully a mineral sunscreen, but it will do. What I like about this is when you get in the sun, the bottle cap turns blue, and that's how you know you need to put sunscreen on, which is super awesome. So yeah, we'll get to that. Next one, Marshall's is killing it, by the way, with the mineral sunscreen. This is the Hello. It's gone on post. It's probably not how they say it. This is a mineral spray sunscreen. It's super light. Super light. Very much white cast with this one. I put it on my body yesterday at the beach and I was very white on my calves. That's where I put it. But again, this one's SPF 30, reef friendly, $6.99 for a bottle. Very good deal. So love that. Now on to the winners of the show, okay? This is where we're going with this. Kinship, self-reflecting. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. 22.4% zinc oxide. Let's go in the back again. I don't want to waste it because I love it. Mineral. Look how beautiful that is. Sorry, I got a little sand because I took it to the beach yesterday. Very moisturizing. I bought this one when I was testing out mineral sunscreens and my face would dry up immediately. I love this stuff. Fantastic. You can get it at Ulta and their website. Another winner, the Say Beauty mineral sunscreen. This one is 15% zinc oxide. Only that, again, love it. This is the Sun Visor. Great mini applicator. There's a little dot. It's tinted. It's really great. If you have a baby, like my friend has a baby, they're so cute. She's so cute. I gave her this stuff yesterday because you don't have to sit there and not scratch it in, but like really rub it into your kid's skin. Like it goes on kind of like a chemical sunscreen. So I really like that stuff. I feel like it's really easy to put on for kids. Again, it's a little bit more expensive, but I did get this one a buy one, get one free on the Say Beauty website. So look out for those deals. Last one, not last one. Don't forget aloe. Now, we all, me especially, love sunscreen, always have, but don't forget this because you'll regret it. So yes, have that. If not, you can go to an ABC store in Hawaii. They're phenomenal. You can get it there. And I'm also packing this natural deodorant with me. It smells like citrus. Still love it. I don't know why I closed one eye, but whatever. This stuff, again, got at TJ Maxx. $3.99 natural deodorant, no aluminum, no bullshit. Love it. And I think that's it for the skincare items. Now, makeup. If this is your first time going to Hawaii, you're really not gonna be wearing much makeup, to be honest. You think you are, but nah, once you get there, the air is different. It's an incredible feeling. That's why I love Kauai. And I don't wear much makeup. I think something that would be fun to have would be like an illuminizer, because when you're tan, then you rub that in with like your lotion. And probably like the Anastasia brow, just like fluff it in real fast, and maybe some like liquid blush, and I think you would be good to roll with that. I'm not bringing a bunch of makeup. I will probably bring some like fake eyelashes just because it is my 9-year anniversary, 3 years married on Thursday, so I want to like dress up a little bit, but again, not going all out crazy because I'm there to enjoy, and once you get there, you will understand. So yeah, that is going to conclude my pack with me for Hawaii. You will be seeing this once I am in the airport, ready to roll, and I'll have a bunch of content from Kauai Vibes. So you guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one.